Hi, it's Paul from Sashstock. Today I just want to show you the new Sashstock Torchguard XL range. It's a cover plate that's going to cover all the marks when a door's been attacked with a screwdriver or a jemmy device, or they've snapped the handles off using mole grips, or they've even actually gone with a blowtorch. This XL is going to cover all that, and it's going to reinforce it, and it's going to make it look better. And the customer won't have to have a new door. So basically, what we've got is a full length plate that will go behind the handles, and it'll be stuck on with a 3M tape onto the sash itself. What we're going to do is we're going to put the plate over the Euro cylinder. This particular Touchplate cover repair plate is a 35 back set and a 35 back set. So it's basically a 70mm plate. Simply go over all the marks onto the sash. Simple as that. If you wanted to, you could drill, put security screws in there, or rivets, whatever you like. What will happen is the handles will secure the plate in through the door. I'm just going to put the handles back on again. As you can see, you can actually fit it in minutes. So in minutes, all that damage on the sash has been covered, top to bottom. So that's the sash done, obviously, in minutes, like I said. Then we're going to tackle the frame itself, because you can see all the marks, all the jemmy marks, screwdriver marks, all the way down that frame side. So what we have is an angle piece, that comes as part of the kit. Again, 3M tape. Cover tape off, like that. So that bit then will simply sit over the frame itself, like that. And then we've got a complete cover plate, making the door look much better, and it's going to reinforce the door and prevent any further attacks. Thank you.